Hello everyone. Today in maths we're going to need this piece of paper that's in your pack. You will also need a pair of scissors, a whiteboard pen, your whiteboard, and you'll also need an opponent to play the game with. Carefully cut out some of the dominoes. Before we start our game, I'm just going to draw a picture of Bear and a picture of Mr. McGuigan. This is our scoreboard. Here's Teddy Bear. And here's Mr. McGuigan. We're going to turn all the dominoes over so we can't see them. Next, we jimble, jamble, jumble.
Jimble, jamble, jamble, jimble, jamble, jamble.
My turn then, Mr. McGuigan. Okay, right. Which one are you going to choose, Mr. Bear? I'm going to choose that one. Okay, I'll turn it over for you, Mr. Bear. Let's have a look. What did Mr. Bear score, reception? What did he score? What number is that? 6. And one more is... how many? 7. 7. So I'm going to draw 7 dots on Mr. Bear's column. Mr. McGuigan's turn to choose. What am I going to choose, Mr. Bear? Oh, it's this one. How many dots, reception? How many can you see? Carefully count the screen. How many dots? Come on, you can do it. How many can you see? Well, there's how many downstairs, how many upstairs? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you say 10? If you did, well done. And I'm going to draw 10 dots for Mr. McGuigan. Now, here's the big question, the challenge. Who has more? Can you tell me? Is it Mr. McGuigan or is it Mr. Bear? Who has more? Bear has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mr. McGuigan has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The winner is, do you know? It is Mr. McGuigan. 10 is more than 7. Have a go at playing Who Has More at home. Good luck. As a final challenge, cut out the dominoes and count the dots and see if you can match the dominoes to the number. So there's 9 on that one. How many on this one? 10. How many on this one, reception? Can you remember? 6. And there's a big one coming up. How many on this one? How many are there? 10. See how many you can do. Enjoy.